This is the cheapest mini excavator digger 1 ton. The surface of the cylinder is chrome-plated and more wear-resistant. It adopts imported oil seal and the seal ring does not leak oil. The boom is made of thickened manganese steel, which is more sturdy. It uses thickened and raised dozer blade to better support and retain soil. The track and drive wheels are more wear-resistant with a thicker layer of track. Adopting science engine. It has more stable performance. Less environmental noise. Low fuel consumption of all metal body. Rainproof sunscreen, etc.